Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. So I'm basically here to tell you about my journey through prop firm and trading and digital career thing. I I have had really bad experience with trading forex, and it looks like it's not for me. But then they already said that giving up is not an option, right? So I am not even making plans to give up. Let me tell you, today I am buying an account and I want to begin my next profit challenge with you guys. I want to document all the whole process. This is actually going to be my fourth account I am purchasing. Guys, it's not just fourth account. I purchased and passed phase 1 and 2, but I never made it through withdrawal. Is that not crazy? So I am hoping that this one, with the host of you all that are traders watching this, we are able to build a community where we figure out how prop works and how we pass challenge. I think I am king of passing challenge, but I'm not king of making withdrawals. So this time, for those of you who know how best I can go to making withdrawals, because that's the ultimate task here. You're going to tell me in the comment section on how to go. And I figured out some of my challenge I have encountered trading. I think I am not very disciplined, I'm not gonna lie. I over leverage some of the time. I take too many risks, too many uncalculated risks. So I want to assume I was very lucky passing those challenges I passed. And this time I want to be more careful. I want to make it better. I want you all to moderate me in this journey. So whatever you feel, I'll be showing you my strategy. I will be showing you all the trades I'm going to take, my profit, my loss, and I hope we'll make it through. Above all, I want you all prayer, please. And some of you starting up to take your profit challenge, this is the opportunity. We will do it all together. Let's win together, guys. Let's win. So right now, I'm not going to say too much. We're going into purchasing of the account. I want to start with a 10k account. Before now, I used to buy 20k account, but I'm literally broke now. I am so broke. So I'm doing 10k account, one phase challenge. That's what I want to go for. And I think I've been too used to passing phase 1 and 2. Maybe this time around, I'll pass my phase 1 and go straight to profits, looking to make withdrawal. So I'm going for one phase. It's really risky, guys. Like, it's a 3% daily drawdown and overall 5% drawdown. So risky. Wow. Let's see. Let's go. So I'm here trying to make my purchase. Yes, thank you. I told you guys I'm going for one step. One step. Yeah, look at it here. So I don't even know the difference between C trader and mat trader. Look at what I found here. If I go to C trader, the price changes additional $20 from 38 to 58. And I don't know why. Please, if you know, tell me in the comment section. That's the difference between mat trader and C trader. I'm going for the cheapest one though. That's me going to make my purchase now. So I'm done making the payment now. As you can see, I'm trying to complete my purchase, and boom, that's what we have. So that's let's see what we have. Payment made, and let's just wait. Why is it taking so long? You want to steal my money? I think it's processing now. Whoa. So we got it. I have successfully purchased this account. Let's see how it goes, guys. Just watch me as I log in. Hi guys. So we are ready, the account is ready. I just logged in. and we have the 10k balance there. Are you ready? I have spent my last money purchasing that account as you just saw me did, and I'm too skeptical about everything. I need prayers, I need moral support. I do not want to lose this account like I did with the other ones. I have like 3 whooping accounts, passed the stages but never made it to withdraw. I want everybody to judge me if I make these mistakes this one more time. But I'm positive about it. I am truly positive about it. I have a winning edge strategy, and I just think it's just me who just needs to be a little more careful, a little more consistent with my strategy, with my risk management. That's what I feel. It's such a big thing for me. It's so big. I have been too heavy on perfecting risk management. I never get it back. I hope we do better this time with you guys, and anyhow, any way you can support me, please. I need your moral support, your prayers more importantly. I just think I can't do this without my creator, without your Almighty God. So your prayer, your support, I want to keep this here, and I want to be proud I did in 3 months and 1 year, and of course in 5 years where we'll cruise the Lamborghini. You know what I'm talking about, hopefully though. I want to see us win. I will be sharing my strategy. You tell me about your. I just want us to see what works for everyone. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking out for. And this challenge happened to be one of the most risky one I'll be taking. 3% daily drawdown, max of 5%. So tell me what risk management should be best for this account. Remember, it's a one-page account and it's just a 10k account. Profit target is 8%, that's $800. Let's go, guys. We're not trading today. I will in the next episode I will be showing you what first trade I will be taking. I'll show you the analysis where I take it and everything. Please guys, please subscribe so that you get the next episode. Subscribe and turn on your notification button somewhere, and see you guys in the next episode. See you tomorrow.